This video is brought to you by Yellow Images Author Program, one of the best ways to create passive income for designers. I'll talk more about it later in the video. First, I have a package waiting for me back home. Alright, I just want to keep this short and simple. You guys already know how much I appreciate you. As a milestone special, I'll be streaming live on Twitch and answering your questions along the way. So stay tuned for that. Alright, without any further ado, let's get straight to the point. Yellow Images Auth Program. Yellow Images is the #1 marketplace of high quality mockups, creative fonts, PNG images, and a creative store full of amazing graphic assets like brushes, presets, illustrations, patterns, textures, UX and UI kits, and more. The Author Program allows you to sign up as a creator on the platform and sell your art and create a passive income for yourself. The feature that I really like that differentiates it from other websites is the ability to build a team. You get 50% commission off your sale through the Author Fund, and you can get up to 71% commission by building a team. If you want to get started as an author, I've put an invitation link to my team below. The registration process is really quick and simple, and it takes only 4 steps to complete. They have an Author Academy section which has tutorials on any information you may need while uploading your assets. Overall, it's a very well thought out program, and if you're a designer looking to create passive income, then this is something you should definitely look into. I've already signed up as an author myself, and I'm gonna go sketch down some ideas for my first set of illustrations.
like this.